In this video, I'll demonstrate how to validate curve fitting functionality without a reference dataset. If you don't already have access to a reference dataset to compare values to, then you can create your own dataset using the curve fit equation and fit the curve to the dataset to compute coefficients and compare these to the actual coefficients used to create the dataset. For more information on validating curve fitting functionality with reference datasets, please see the associated video by clicking on the link appearing on screen now or by clicking the link in the description. I'd like to validate the 4-parameter logistic curve fitting functionality of the MyCurveFit Excel Add-In. At the top of the spreadsheet, I have the 4PL curve equation followed by calibrator X and Y values. Next, I have 4 cells representing the 4-parameter values that I've manually specified. For our data, these X values are simply 1 through 15. And I've used the curve fit equation and my specified parameters to calculate the Y values. So this formula is D plus A minus D divided by 1 plus power X divided by C, B. And I've made the parameter references absolute references by pressing F4 to allow me to drag and pull the formula to fill the remaining cells. These 4-parameter values in the specified parameters table are values that I've essentially made up and entered, but because we're using these values to calculate the Y values corresponding to the entered X values, they will follow the fit with these parameter values exactly. So, to validate the MyCurveFit 4PL function is working as expected, if we use these X and Y values as the X and Y calibrators, we would expect the returned parameter values to match the parameter values that we entered. Beside our created dataset, I've calculated the parameters using the MyCurveFit 4PL function with these X and Y values entered as the calibrator values. And you can see the A, B, C, and D values match. Next to the MyCurveFit Excel Add-In calculated parameters, we have our results table reporting the difference between the specified parameters and the calculated parameters, with results matching to 3 decimal places reported as match. If we change the defined coefficient values, assuming the range of the X values is sufficient to demonstrate the model, the curve fit should continue to find values for different datasets and the parameter results should match. So, for example, let's change the value of our A parameter to 0.05. With that change made, the Y values of our data table update, as well as the parameter values calculated by the MyCurveFit Excel Add-In, demonstrating matching parameters. If you'd like to download a copy of this spreadsheet for your own use, please follow the link appearing on screen now, or follow the link in the description. If you have any questions about validating curve fitting functionality without a reference dataset, please contact us at support@myassays.com.